Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add columns in Excel. So what you have to do is go to go to an Excel file, and here you can see some text is written. So if you want to insert a column, then just click on the button and click on insert. Here you can see a column has been added. How you would know that it is added? It couldn't be understood, right? But if you notice that you can see that this text is gone to the next column. So it's just because we have added a column here. We can try again. Here you can see again, if we right click and click on insert, it will go further. So yep, hope you have understood this thing. So if you find this video useful, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.